iPad won't turn on? Got stuck on boot loop while updating? Disabled after typing in wrong passcode too many times? Or you want to wipe out data before selling it? Restoring iPad to factory settings could fix them all. Here we show you how to restore your iPad with any iOS system repair. Let's get started. To restore, tap upper right corner, then Factory Reset iPhone. Now you have entered Advanced mode. Tap Fix Now to proceed. Then follow the instructions to put your iPad into recovery mode. To proceed, click Download to get the firmware. If downloaded already, it'll be detected directly. Tap Repair Now to start restoring. It'll take a while. Keep the iPad connected and have a cup of tea. The iPad will restart. Well done! Now wait for the device to boot up. The iPad is now restored to factory settings. You can go on to activate it. This is how any iOS system repair restores iPad. For more tutorials, subscribe to us or go to any-data-recovery.com. And don't forget to share this video with your friend.